baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Thursday and I am on my way to the gym. Well, I have to drop my son off first. So before I go to the gym, I have a few things that I want to show you guys, and then after that I'm gonna add in some clips because we did find a table for my patio and I did order some chairs. They should be here tomorrow. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to show you guys the full patio because in my mind, what I had planned, I thought I was going to be able to cover up a lot of things, but unfortunately you can still see everything. So if I was to take you guys out there, you would basically know where I live, okay? And we ain't trying to do that. So I'll just show you guys bits and pieces. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B. Because I can kind of finesse my angles a little bit. It's hard to do it with my camera because the shots are wider, so I can't really do too much. I know it sucks. It sucks for me too because I did want to share those things with you guys, but like I said, you know, my family safety come first. So it's some crazy people out here and I ain't trying to do that, okay? Because real quick. But like I said, I'll still show you guys, you know, the pieces that I get. And you know, I'll show what I can. I wouldn't be able to do like a full-on video showing you guys everything because it's just not possible, like I said, without you guys knowing where I stay. So I want to show you guys these shoes that I got from Ego Official. I brought y'all back up front, but this is my workout outfit. I got pre-workout all over my shirt. Let me show y'all the shoes. So I know you guys see these all on Instagram. These right here. I just thought that they were so cute. I think that the real ones, like I think these are Yeezys. And the real ones are like, I think like $700 or something crazy like that. I found these on Ego Official for like 18 bucks. So I'll have the link in the description box. Let me show you how they look. Okay, so this is how they look. I love them. I think they're so cute. Every time I see these on Instagram, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want some so bad. So this is how they look. Really cute. And then this is what they look like right here. So I'm sure y'all have seen these all over Instagram. They're so cute. I like them. And then I posted this on my Instagram this morning because I showed my waffle towels probably like 2 weeks ago. And I'm just now popping the tags off. But they're so cute. I took like a little Instagram picture. Also showing my new body wash that I've been loving. I got this from Target. And I think they have like 2 or 3 different scents, but I like to get the green tea, cucumber, and aloe vera. And it's vegan. So I really like this. This is my new fave. And I also found these really cute placement mats from At Home. I'm going to use these on the patio. So I just thought that these were really cute. These were only $5.99. So cute. Okay, y'all, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I plan on doing an hour, so I'm getting ready to get my workout on, and then I'll probably just be chilling for the rest of the day. I really don't have that much planned. Shout out to everybody that watched yesterday's video. I did a fragrance haul. If you guys have not watched that video, please go watch that video. Show your girl some love. And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys the table, as much of it as I can, and I'll pop up a picture of some different things too, but y'all are gonna see it. Y'all might not see like the full thing, but I will share as much as I can, like I said, because when you're on the internet, you have to be safe. You have to be cautious of what you put out on the internet, because people be watching, okay? People that don't even like you, people that don't even say nothing, they watching. So with that being said, I'm going to the gym. I just got a new package in from Amazon. It actually came early. Let me show you guys what it is. So it is another coffee table book. This is the MANOLO BLAHNIK coffee table book. I've been trying to wait for Home Goods to have it, but so this is how it looks. Goes perfect with my decor. It's red, it's so pretty. This has like pictures. Oh, excuse that glare, y'all. But yeah, it just has like all the pictures of the shoes. Super nice. Oh, those were cute. Look at those. So yeah, I'm super excited to have this book. It's going on my coffee table. All right, y'all. So I just made myself a little fruit bowl, and some detox water. I haven't poured the water in yet, but I'm getting ready to go sit on my porch, patio, whatever you want to call it, and start editing a little bit. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Doesn't this fruit look so good? So good. And I forgot to show you guys this cutting board. I got this cutting board from At Home, but I just love the handle on it. So yeah, I grabbed this the other day. I sometimes forget what I haven't showed y'all because I like to show a lot of different things like this on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram. I told y'all before, they see everything first. So I just got a package in from Crate and Barrel. I know I said I'm not buying any more glassware, but I ordered this the same time I ordered the coupe glasses that I have. They just been sending them out separately for some reason. So I got a package, child. So let me show y'all. They're so cute. I've been wanting these forever. I opened it in the car. This is what they look like. Right here. I just love these. They're so pretty. So I have a set of 2. And I went to, let me wrap this back up because I'm going to do a cute little unboxing on Instagram. So I'm just going to wrap this back up. But I went to World Market and I found the cutest little shot glass ice trays. So the shot glass will basically be made out of ice. It's so cute. So I picked this up. This was only $7.99. Super cute. So I did go to Home Goods. I went to a few places, but I didn't vlog. I went to Home Goods. They had like 12 Sarah Brooke paintings in there, like some different colors, some that I never seen before. I know everybody loves the Sarah Brooke paintings. I don't have any Sarah Brooke paintings because I don't really like to have everything that everybody else have. So everybody has a Sarah Brooks painting in their house. I prefer to, you know, DIY my own paintings, but they did have a lot in there. I did show it on Instagram because I know a lot of people are still looking for those paintings. So if you're in Jacksonville, they have several on Jax Beach. But I'm going to show you guys these planters that I got. I got 2 new plants and these massive planters from At Home. They're so huge and they look so good on my porch. I'm gonna pop up a picture right here. So what I did was I just filled, well, I only did one halfway. I filled it up halfway with dirt. So I just found something that I can kind of block off the bottom of the planter, so that way I don't have to put 10 bags of dirt in the planters because that dirt is not cheap. It's like $10 each. So I just blocked it off like in the middle, and then I added the dirt and put the plant in. But it looks so good. And then I also bought a like that turf looking rug. I mean, it's not a rug, I don't know what you would call it, but it's like the turf. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I put that under the table, so that'll go on that side. And then when I get my chairs, it's gonna look so good, y'all. I'm so excited about it. So I've been hanging out a lot out there. It's just been so nice, breezy. It's gonna be a vibe. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my fragrance video. The link will be in the description box. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it. should.